Isikhuluma sisemzimkhulu wezorhatsha eJohannesburg kulapho sifikela khona bese ke thina bothina sizirhatshe elizweni lonke.
Brown's reasoning was that I should make Vusi believe that I have a relationship with the minister's office.
Somabhizinisi weTlhagwini Tjingalanga uSulman Karim utshele ikomishini kaMadlanga bona waze wenza ingasuthi unomngane nongqongqotjhe umchunu batsho yenzela ukufumana isikwelete sakhe kuVusumuzi Kurt Matlala.
We never agreed and we still disagree.
We are concerned with the time. We agreed that we would get written responses.
Amalunga wekomiti yesikhatshana yeParliament athi umengameli uyaparayadisa ukuthi uza kuphendula emalangeni ngempendulo abambawe zona. Liphumile igama lokuthi bayakhamba besana nonyaka nje ekutsho bona iyawela ingoma yakwaNzunza. Sikhulekile ekhaya siza siniphathele indaba zesiNdebele ezirhatshwa nayimachumi amathathu ngemva kwesimbi yesihlanu. Mina ke nginguThulani Bongwe nginesipawu nanginje ngibawa uhlalele iduze uzwe ngobunjalo bazo. Usomabhizinisi weTlhagwini Tjingalanga uSulman Karim uthena kethula ubufakazi phambi kwekomishini kaMadlanga wathi batsho wazenza ingasuthi unobudlelwano nongqongqotjhe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu ukwenzela ukuthi batsho afumane imali ekhabe ayikolodwa msolwa obelelesi uVusumuzi Kurt Matlala. Uthi batsho isiphakamiso siseza nosomabhizinisi weTlhagwini Tjingalanga uBrown Mokgotsi nanyana kunjalo ubufakazi butshengisa ukuthi ingcenye ye-1.5 million uMatlala ayibhadela kuKarim yaya kuMorgan Maumela kani lokho kuvusa amehlo ekomishinini. Lokhu kuvele namhlanje uKarim nakethula ubufakazi eChachalazi okulandela ukubhalelwa kwesibawo sakhe sokwethula ubufakazi ngentumbeni engakhange siphumilele.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga izwe ukuthi uSulman Karim wazenza ingasuthi mngani kaNgqongqotjhe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu ukwenzela ukuthi abhadelwe imali zakhe azisisa ebhizinisini kaVusumuzi Kurt Matlala yekontraga ebekanayo emapholiseni ngekampani yakhe yeMedicare.
Brown's reasoning was that I should make Vusi believe that I have a relationship with the minister's office and that he would communicate directly with the minister's offices if, when, and required. Brown was clear that this was required and calculated to make Vusi believe that my involvement and my assistance with the minister and his office would be crucial, and therefore Vusi would therefore need me to pay me my money, or would need to pay me my money. In truth, I did not have any relationship with the minister.
Nayena kunjalo uMatlala wayibhadela imali leyo kuKarim kodwa into erarayo ukuthi ingcenye yemali uMatlala ayibhadela kokuthoma kuKarim yathunyelwa ekampanini kaMorgan Maumela usomabhizinisi othinteka ebukhohlakaleni besibhedlela seThembisa. uKarim uthi batsho wathumela imali leyo ngombana alayelwe nguMatlala ukuthi enze njalo.
Now, by this stage you had been worried for quite some time that you weren't being paid on this contract.
Yes, that's correct.
Why did you agree to take a third of your first payment and give it to Mr. Maumela on behalf of Mr. Matlala?
The reason for that, Mr. Matlala kept on putting pressure on me to please advance this money to Morgan. I did ask him why can't he do it directly. He said please do it on my behalf.
Umbuzo ujamile ekutheni imalezi ziyathindana na nobukhohlakali bamathenda nofana njani njengombana imibiko egegako itshengisa ukuthi uMatlala kunye noMaumela bayathindeka ensolweni zobukhwabanisi nobukhohlakali besibhedlela seThembisa.
Why in those circumstances did you choose to pay 500,000, 1/3 of what your first payment was, to Mr. Maumela?
Like I said, Council, before, Mr. Matlala put a lot of pressure. He wanted me to pay 750. And once I saw these newspaper articles, I did not want to get into their crosshairs.
Ukulalela kokomishini kuyaraka.
Amalunga wekomiti yesikhatshana yePalamende ephenyako athonyekile ngelanga elikhutshwe ngumengameli ukuphendula imibuzo yayo ngelithi kuyadisa umsebenzi wayo. Ikomiti le ngephenya izwa ngobatsho yavela nokomitshina wamapolisa iKZN uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngokucaphela kwenlelesi nepolitiki emsebenzini yamapolisa. Phambilini ikomiti ithumele ihlelo lemibuzo etloliweko kumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa emalungana nensolwezi. Iofisi kamengameli iphendulile yathi batsho umengameli ubawabona anikelwe ukufikela mhla amalanga ali-16 inyanga le bona yokuphendula.
Ikambiso yemihlangano yaqobe veke iqale indaba ezihlukileko ukusukela emahlelweni wokuhlela ingkhathi ezibekwako kunye nokusebenza kwamalunga wePalamende ekomidini le. Abanye abofakazi abaqhakathekileko namalunga womphakathi kusalindeleke ukuthi azokuthula ubufakazi. Ngemva kwalokho amalunga wePalamende kulindeleke ukuthi akhuphe umbiko wokugcina mhla amalanga naka-31 kuNdaka. Kodwana ezinye inhlangano zepolitiki zithwenyekile ngegadango likamengameli lokuthi uzokuphendula ekomidini le ngomhla ka-26 kuNdaka.
We never agreed and we still disagree, but because we're in a democratic institution here.
We are concerned with the time. We agreed that we would get written responses.
There might be a need for, further clarity-seeking questions on the response of the president.
Obviously, it would be better if the answers could be forthcoming earlier than the 16th of March.
Would appreciate if we could get a response a lot earlier so that we are even able to ask further questions.
wePalamende afuna ukuhlathululelwa kuhle ngesibopho sezomthetho sekomiti le. IPalamende isaphenya nendaba yokuphuma ePalamende kumphenyo ozijameleko uPaul O'Sullivan. Iofisi kaSpeaker wePalamende uThoko Didiza iyalele iphiko lezomthetho sisekelo nelezomthetho ePalamende bona lenze umhlolo ofungelweko omalungana nokuphuma kwaka-O'Sullivan phambi kwekomiti le kunye nensolo zokuthuselwa ezithunyelwe komunye wofakazi ngesikhathi ikomiti le ibambe umhlangano.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ukhulume ngomhlolo ofungelweko phambi kwekhotho ephakemeko eJohannesburg bona akaphikisane nomyalo wekhotho okhupha usihlalo wekomitjhini yamaqiniso ijaji uSisi Khampepe. Ramaphosa mangalelo esibaweni sokubhala kwejaji uKhampepe ukuzikhipha ephenyweni ekusibawo esifakwe umengameli baphambilini uThabo Mbeki noJacob Zuma.
Olo ofungelweko umengameli uthe kube bekazi ngensolo zokuthatha ihlangothi kwakaKhampepe bekangekho amkhethe bona lawulwe iphenyweli.
The president had directed Minister Kupai to request Judge Khampepe to step down. This is out of concern that the current review applications are detrimental to the interest of the victims, who want closure and accountability from government regarding their family members, and that these applications have the potential to defeat the main objective for the establishment of the commission.
Akhange belula kufakwa hlangana isibawo sokukhutshwa kofakazi ophambili kulamacala ukwehla kukaSihlalo kanti ngahlanye kuba nabofakazi abangakhenge baqedelela ufakazi babo phambi kwale komishini. Ihlangano yamalungelo obuntu ithi nayo rarekile ngokwenqiqundo zamva nje ezikamengameli. Bathi izenzo zakhe zifana patsi nezalaba abarera amaqhinga okuriyadisa ukuragela phambili kwekomishini. Umnqophisi walehlangano uZaid Kimi uthi akukholakala ukuthi umengameli athi ubengazi kangako ngemisebenzi eyenziwe nguKhampepe phambilini. Ngombana phela ihlangano le beyisiza bongazimba abakhahlunyezwa ngengikhathi zombuso webandlululo.
President Ramaphosa did not set up this commission because he believed on his own that this was something that needed to be done. This was as a consequence of that constitutional damages litigation. And as an attempt to settle that, he conceded, even though the calls had been out there for 7 or 8 years, he then conceded that he had to set up the Commission of Inquiry and proceeded to do so.
Nakusenjalo, ikomishini laseqala umbiko phambi kwayo. Abomengameli baphambilini uMbeki noZuma sebaye ekhotho ephakemeko bona ibuyekeze isahlulelo sikaKhampepe sokubhala ukuzikhipha ngombana bathune isandla esikhulu kokwenzeka phambi kwale komishini yamaqiniso. i-TRC ithi kuyabonakala ukuthi kwaphula umthetho okwanje ijaji uKhampepe usayokuragela phambili ngokubanga usihlalo kanti iveke le kuyokuchiwa ngemibuzo ubulelana engcuka.
Amakhosi athonyekile ngobulelesi obuhageleko ematlageni athelela umphakathi amanzi esinginisa ngehlanzeni eMpumalanga. Amakhosi athi ezinye zemphathimandla zikarhulumente kunye nabanikazi bamatraga wamanzi wangeqadi balimaza imithangalasekelo yamanzi ukuthi bazuze ngamathenda wamatraga wamanzi. Iintshijilo lezi amakhosi aziphakamise ngesikhathi abambe umhlangano nesekela likangqongqotjhe wezebhoduluko, amahlathi nokuthiwa kwemfesi uBenny Swarts kumasipalata wesingise ehlanzeni kunye namakhosi eMbombela.
Mkhulu ukuphakela kwensiza ezifana namanzi, igezi kunye nendlela emphakathini eminingi esiyinginesi. Yeke-ke ukuthembela ematrageni wamanzi sele kuyinto ejayelekileko. Amakhosi athi lokho-ke kwenza izisizakale indlelesi ezithelisa umphakathi ezisemabhizinisini wamatraga wamanzi.
Issue of water still remain a challenge because some water pipe and so on, there is a sabotage from the community and also from the service providers so that they can get the access of getting more water supply.
Uswathi usiza ngehlelo elitsha lokuthuthukisa isingesi ukuthi umasipalata wesingisa ngehlanzeni asebenze kuhle. Ubambe imkhulumiswano namakhosi kunye nemphathimandla zikamasipalata kanti uyikhalime ngamagama abukhali yenilelesi zamatraga wamanzi.
We have taken decisions in this meeting that all the boreholes that are not functional, we must go into an assessment why they're not functional so that they can be functional. Because if all the boreholes are working, we're not going to have an issue of waiting for a water truck to bring water.
Ukuthi ukusebenzisana phakathi kwakamasipalata amakhosi kunye nomphakathi kuzokusiza kakhulu ekusombululeni inqabo ezikhona nakufanele kulethwe insiza zomphakathi begodu lokho kuzoqinisekisa ukuthi umphakathi uthola insiza ezifaneleko.
Asicale umbono wakho mbukeli ngomraro wobulelesi obusenilothinisa amanzi nakuyalandela mbukeli.
Sivamisile ngempela ngqoleyo ukuthi amanzi angafiki emphakathini.
Kodwa-ke uhulumeni naye akazange afakele abantu amanzi.
Lento yamathenda le inkinga ngoba amathenda kugcine kunikazana ngokobungani okanye kunikezana ngokwazana ebese imali yehla ngomlenze njalo njalo.
Ibuhlungu kakhulu phela lento lena, wonke umuntu eSouth Africa unelungelo ukuthi lapha ahlala khona athola amanzi. So into eyenza lento lena yilokuthi kunalamathenda.
Kunzima msase kwizwe siphila kulo, siphila kwizwe lobutsotsi, siphila kwizwe elithanda imali kubo.
Kumele kuvalwe onke emathenda lakhona msakade. Into lomcabanga yona ukuthi mhlambe masipala kube kumele athenge akhe emaroli ukuze kuphelele nje ukuthi banikane emathenda.
Umasipala akabe namaloni wakhe azokwazi ukuthi abantu mabefuna amanzi abafakele amanzi mahala. Kuyekwe le ndaba zokuthi kube nabantu abanamatruck abazothengisela abantu amanzi.
Umbono ngeombukeli SABC ayizokuthwasa umlando ukuziphendulela kombono umbukeli. Nasibuya entolo. Kunganabususo benyawo komjekejeke eValmansdal ePitori, abantu bebajekezela ngesikhabo kuphazima nempala yemakhaya. Zisakhona indaba lapha mbukeli nazikuphundileko indabezi setholakala ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Uphekelelwe boyise mkhulu umakekereke zokulingisa obekasifundiswa ubuya bemthandi nomchochozeli welimi lesindebele uJimmy Machika. uMachika ubhubhenge evekepheleleko ngemva kokugula ukumbamba isikhatshana. Ikonzo yomngcwabo ibanjelwe eholweni yakwamhlanga eMpumalanga izolo.
I'm glad ukuthi ubaba mi is no longer in pain and ngiyamkhulula ebunzimeni wena but ngiyamkhulula.
La magama abhlungu ajoyi indodakazi kaMakekereke zokulingisa uJimmy Machika obekadume ngelikamboza. igama likaMboza walifumana nakalingisa efilimini lesindebele Ingisakabani. Abantu baphume ngobuningi ukuyokubeka ithambo likwaBhadisa endaweni yakhe yokugcina. Hlangana neminye imisebenzi kaMachika kukuba yilecturer eNdebele College of Education, anjalo nje akuthanda ukuthuthukisa, ukuvikela, ukulonda nokuphakamisa ilimi lesindebele. Hlangana nengikhulu zembusweni eziphumeleleyo kuyokubeka uMachika lisekela likaNgqongqotjhe wezobulungiswa uLindiwe Ntshali othi uMachika bekawazi umsebenzi wakhe.
Abangamfaka ngabomamsisile ukuba uprogram director. Ngithi angeke ulibambe igolide ulifake phasi ulifihle isibani yasokhela usibeke etafuleni sikhanyisele izwe lonke. Bekayibamba athi nakasikima lapha nandisa kuma crutches athi ngiyabahlula namabona.
Ungqongqotjhe wezombuso ohlanganyela nendaba zamasiko eMpumalanga uSpeed Mashilo uthi uMachika uyilimile indima yakhe.
Into esithokozisako uMachika abelethwa adlala ibhola yaba utitshera yaye college ayenza yonke into efuna yenzeke. Ekugcineni yaba mfundisi, into ehle kakhulu bafundisi. Siyabonga. Manje fanele uzibuze njoba sibanike kangaka nathi sikhona nasekhaya. Umuntu abaluleke kakhulu akhamba sokuthi uNkulunkulu kungani akhetha lo angathathanga lo ngoba lo kuyinkinga. Kodwa uNkulunkulu uyazikhethela.
Igubuke ngokulwela amalungelo abantu abadala. Kanti utshiya ngemva unkosikazi zakhe, abantwana abathathu, isizukulu sinye, abodadewabo abane kunye nabafowabo ababili.
Ingonyama yamaNdebele uMakhosoke wesibili uthi bathonyekile ngokwanda kwabantu abazibiza ngamakhosi. Uthi umukghwa loyo kufuze kuliwe nawo uphele. Ingonyama ekhulume lokho emnyanyeni waqobe eminyaka wesikhumbuzo sengonyama uSlaba ebewubanjelwe komjekejeke eTlagwini eMpumalanga yePitori.
Babalwa ngenkulungwane abantu abebakhambela umnyanya komjekejeke. Bonke njalo bancamela ukukuza inkulumo zamakhosi zengikhulu zembusweni nabanye ababelani. Ingonyama uMakhosoke wesibili uthi kufuze kuliswane nomkhwa wabantu abazenza amakhosi bangasiwo.
Abanye bazibeka ke bajoba amakhosi. Abantu bekithi bayathanda ukusupport izinto ezingasinzi. Izinto lezi silisane nazo.
Bombuso ohlanganyela nendaba zendabuko eMpumalanga bakhalime nezenzo zokubulawa kwamakhosi nabantu abachidelene nawo.
Siyazi kakhulu nje government into ebahlupha kakhulu ebile bahlukumeza ukubulalwa kwamakhosi. Sina la eMpumalanga sine task team ebukene nale ndaba yokubulalwa kwamakhosi. Kungakho sesibabophile abantu ababulalwe usihlalo wendlu lapha yakwafena uThugwane, usihlalo wendlu kaNzunza lapho kwaMahlangu sesibabophile.
Umnyanya lo lindele ukuthi urage nangomnyaka ozako.
Liphumile lesigodlo sakwaNzunza lokuthi iyaphuma ingoma umnyaka lo. Umkhulumeli wesigodlo umntwanenkosi uRoydere Dwabani Mahlangu umemezele ikambiso ezokulandelwa njengoba namaNdebele wakwaNzunza kulindeleke ukuthi aphethe isiko lokwisela ingoma. Umhlangano bewubanjelwe eMthambothini eMpumalanga.
Memezelo senziwe umntwanenkosi uRoydere Dwabani Mahlangu.
Ngen-10 ihlabathi yavalwa, ngen-20 abangakawiseli ihlabathi ivulekile ngoba sesibereka ngehlabathi esikhathini esiningi.
uMahlangu uthi nakamachoma 23 kuNtaka bonke abazilileko bahlubula inzilo. Ngomhla ka11 kusihlabantangana iminyanya iyavalwa. Ngomhla ka10 kumrhayili ihlabathi yavalwa bese kabangakawiseli izokuvula ngomhla ka20 kumrhayili. Ngomhla ka13 kumrhayili yokulala engwenyameni. Ngomhla ka14 kumrhayili yokulala enkosini emakhosaneni. Ngomhla ka6 kumgwengweni thokozwe esigodlweni eMthambothini. Ngomhla ka16 mgwengweni lugwabo lengwenyameni eMthambothini. Bese emakhosini nemakhosaneni azokulandela ngemuva kwelengwenyameni. Ngomhla ka15 vela bahlinze iyagoduka. Bese ngomhla ka16 kuvela bahlinze iyaphalala. Besigodlweni baba wesitshaba bona siphethe isikweni ngokukhulu ukulihlonipha. Izaphula umthetho ziyeleliswe ngamagama abukhali. bathi lwazi elidlula leli abobaba namasokana nentanga bazalifumana emakhosini nemakhosaneni wendawo newemgodi zangikhabo.
Ngezemali iranda lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Ziyokupaniwa namhlanje nge-hour lobunane inchema ezine ezidlulele kuma-semifinal we-Nedbank Cup kiyona.
Chance here for Chauke, maybe on the turn. It's off the post. It's gone in. Kashrik Stars might have stolen this game at the very death.
Avadira Poso. Baba
Gianni up against Keat. It's all over. Durban City are in the semi-final. Can you believe it?
Kwanje mbukeli asekuthulele ubujamo bethu bezulu. Sanamhlanje indaba ziphelela lapha ngesimbi yekhomba kulandela zesizulu kanti kusasa zikhona zesiswati ngesikhathi esifanako. Siyazi bona endaweni asiphumeleli sonke yeke sikuchiya nenithombe zomnyanya komjekejeke senzela wena ungakaphumeleli. Kukhubongile.